Good morning. Welcome to Alming Owl Yoga. My name is Ruthie, and the class today is a really quick wake-up flow. I'm recording this first thing in the morning so you can see exactly what I do, regardless of if I'm late or just something really quick you can do before you start your day every day. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to start in mountain pose at the back of your mat. And just take a deep breath and big exhale, releasing any tension from your night's rest. I didn't sleep too good last night, so gotta get that out of my system. And then I'm gonna just start by stretching out the side body. So you can reach your arms up, feel your body getting longer and longer, rooting down into the four corners of the feet. Slight micro bend in the knees. The tailbone is tucked, the navel is tucked to the spine, shoulders melting down away from your ears, and fingertips reaching up. And feel the ribs slowly separating further and further from your hips, getting nice and long. And then exhale, drop the left arm, reach the right arm over. It might be really creaky. I'm really creaky in the morning. And nice side body stretch. Feel the line of energy all the way from the rooting down into your right foot and through the right fingertips. Keeping the shoulder down. Inhale, back up, both arms reach up. And exhale, right arm down, left arm over, bend over to the right side of your mat. And inhale back to center. Just go ahead and do whatever movements feel right. I'm going to go ahead and take off my sweatshirt because I'm already building heat. Alright. So, shake out anything that's left in you. And exhale, hinge at the hips, come forward into forward fold. And just hang here, bend your knees a lot, grab opposite elbows. You're gonna be really stiff in the morning. I'm always like a tin man first thing in the morning, and that's totally normal. Keep breathing. And pulling your navel closer to your spine, creating space for your body to hinge more at the hips. You can even double your fists up and put them right below your navel. Feels good for digestion or if you're having any stomach pain. And shake the head yes, shake the head no. And come up to a flat back and slowly start to walk your hands forward, coming into plank position. And this will really wake you up, so just stay in plank, bring your navel to your spine, reach into the pads of your hands, and reach your heels toward the back of your mat, and the crown of your head toward the front of your mat. Nice and straight. Take 3 more breaths here. And then come down. You can come down to your knees or just come right down to the mat, keeping your elbows close to your ribs. And then inhale, lift the heart, come into baby cobra. If it feels good, you can push all the way up into seal. And your next exhale, push yourself back, coming into child's pose. Feel the spine nice and long. Knees can be together or apart. And breathe. And push yourself back up into tabletop. I'll just take a few cat-cows here. Just warm up the spine. So inhale, drop the belly, look up, reach the hips up. And exhale, pull navel to spine, tuck the chin. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Do these at your own pace, taking whatever movements feel good to you right now. And just move slowly in the morning. You don't want to stress your body out by giving it too much to do. Just easing your way into the day. Help your mind think a little clearer throughout your day. Leaving your hips over your knees, walk your hands forward and then melt your heart down to the ground, puppy pose. And then sit the hips back, come back into child's pose. Your next inhale, bring yourself up to sit on your heels. Keep a nice straight spine. Breathe here. And then shift the weight to one side and bring your feet out in front of you. And go ahead and shake out the legs. And we'll come into a seated forward fold. You can pull the flesh of your sit bones back. That feels better. And then hinge at your hips. And just come forward. You can bend your knees if that feels good. Crack your toes if that feels good. Just relax into the pose as much as you can. Remember to stay at whatever your personal limit is. Don't force your body into any positions. With time and patience, your body will go into any position you train it to. Just keep breathing through it. And come back up. Bring the soles of your feet to the mat. Grab hold of the front of your shins. And then slowly start to lean back, reaching the fingertips toward the front of the mat, curling the spine, having each vertebrae touch the mat, with your head being the last to lay down. Let your knees fall out to the side, coming into Supta Baddha Konasana. Or just lay in Shavasana right away if that's what you'd like. And set your intentions for the day. Say any affirmations you may have for your day. Such as, I know exactly how to handle every situation and every person that I encounter today. Today I operate from my highest consciousness, my highest integrity. Today I will show others the patience that I have for the world around me and the patience that I have for myself. I will not overreact, and I will not entertain the thoughts of my lower mind to a point that causes me stress. I do so often. And today I will care for my body. I will drink the proper amount of water. I will eat healthy food and healthy fuel. Today I operate from my highest consciousness, my highest integrity, and my highest expression of self. A moment to let these messages or any personal affirmations you have for yourself sink in. Feel your body sinking closer to the mat. The purity of the ground beneath you. Whenever you feel ready to start your day, open your eyes and come up to your seat. And thank yourself for the practice that you just did. And know that any amount of practice, no matter how quick, how long it is equally beneficial to your mind if you just get into that right mind state. Namaste. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and leave any feedback at all that you have in the comments. Anything is helpful at this point. We're always looking to improve. And stay tuned next week for more to the beginner series.